Every year on our Expedition Baja trip, at the end of a hard week, we cap it off with something very physically challenging, the Volcano climb. On a trail straight up the side of a long-dormant volcano, students struggle with loose rocks, thorny shrubs, aching legs, and sheer exhaustion to reach the top. It's not fun, and even surrounded by other people, it's you alone against the volcano. People sweat, people slip and fall, people want to give up, but they keep climbing. Hundreds have beat the volcano and conquered their own desire to quit. At the top, nothing awaits them but a view of the ocean, relief from the pain, and their fellow conquerors. And then, they simply go back down.